Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome and please subscribe to the channel. This is your 4th week exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out. If you want to know more about personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions, please stay tuned till the end and I will give you more information. So let's begin. Let's start with your love life. You've got the 5 of Spades and the Temperance. What I do feel is that either you are being attacked by somebody, like a group of people, there is some sort of conspiracy which is happening, either your friends or your partner's friend, relatives, uh, which has actually lowered down your confidence a lot. I also see that you will be experiencing some sort of loss, like a relationship loss, like a friendship loss, right? Losing your trust in someone. So you will be experiencing very low energy vibes. I also see if you were in no contact situation or separation situation, somebody from the past will also try to come back into your life. And when they do, please remember all these things that you have gone through. Do not get over emotional about it or over excited about it that, yay, they've come back and that's what I wanted. Reconciliation is only possible if this person is coming back with a changed attitude. I also see that there is a need for you to draw some new boundaries, some new rules for your relationship where uh, extra people are not interfering in your life, which means only you and your partner is trying to resolve the issues, or your friends, and not the entire group or family or relatives, who are trying to constantly interfere in your relationship. Try to avoid that and try to talk it out with your partner as well, that this is not something which is acceptable. I also see that there is a need for you to, like I said, control your emotions, balanced approach in your relationship, and adaptability as well. You will have to adapt to this circumstance that things might not ever be as good as they were, or might not be simply the same as they were. People grow, people's priority changes, your priorities have also changed. So try to adapt to that situation as well. Right? Be adaptable and then maybe it will be smoother for you. If you're rigid in your approach towards a relationship that no, this is how it's supposed to be, and no other way, then you might face a lot of problems. Okay? So try a balanced approach. Don't overdo anything as well. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Apprentice card, the Cardinal card, and the Fortune wheel. What I see here is that you have been working very hard, giving longer working hours, probably extra effort with zero or no pay in return, right? Or less pay in return. I do feel that now it's time for you to have that kind of reward as well, reward for your hard work. I also see that some of you want to take that risky move that probably everyone is advising you against, like a change of job, like a change of field altogether, change of career, or starting a new business, right? If there is a risky move that you want to take, if there is a change that you want to make in your life, this will be a very good week for you. I do see that you will be ending some sort of struggle period, some sort of hard work period, and you will be beginning a new period, new chapter of your life, which will give you results, which will give you happiness, which will give you the money and success that you have been so, uh, you know, relentlessly working for. I also see that students will be, probably applying or changing the fields in their careers, in their subjects will be changing, or universities or colleges will be changing. So make sure, if you want to change and everyone is advising you again, this week is a good time to make that change. It will bring you happiness and I'm sure there's a reason why you're doing this. So try to weigh the pros and cons as well. People who are already married, I also see that you need to set new boundaries in your relationship. If you were not single or not looking for reconciliation, again, you could have problems. And obviously, if you want to save this relationship, I do see that new boundaries will have to be set, right? So this reading applies to all those who are single, who are in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, and students in universities and people in jobs and business as well. So take what resonates with you, whatever is happening with your life. Overall, I do see that your career or your academic path looks really good this week, but your personal life might not be so. Right? So your loss of confidence will only come back when you start drawing new boundaries and you stop letting people use you and abuse you. Right? So this is that week for you to come out stronger, to protect yourself, right? And to speak for yourself. Very important week for you in your personal life. So if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is exactly happening in your life. I will read every comment, like it and reply to it as well. And if you think you have a particular question on your mind you want to ask about this reading or any other area of your life like family, marriage, love, X, third party, anything, you can go ahead and book a personal reading with me. I also have audio and video sessions available with me for half an hour and 1 hour. You can book that as well, but they are only available on Instagram, Google Meet or Zoom. WhatsApp is not available on my channel. I also have Oracle Love Reading. So if you guys are still in no contact and want to channel your partner's current energies, you can book that as well. I do have different packages also available. Specific set of questions in each package with a free remedy for people who are single, for people who are in love situation, or people who are looking for career advice as well. Lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you or any of your friend and family is in need of this session, you have a lot of burden that you have been carrying, you're very depressed, your life is not going smooth, you can book this with the help of your spirit guides. I will be guiding you. I will also be telling you what exactly to do. And I will also be showing you a mirror as well to tell you exactly what is going on in your life. Right? So be open, be receptive. And if you want to change your life, if you want to share a secret, if you want to feel light, then you can come and trust my channel. All these readings will only be one-on-one no matter what you book. So your secrets will be safe with me if that is what your main cause of concern is. So please share this video with all those you think need help, and to book any kind of session, you can email me at askasharma842@gmail.com. This email ID is mentioned in my description box and my bio as well. Or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there, including what prices I have. I have very cheap prices and different services available for people who have different budgets. If you want a lowest price, I have readings starting from 170 rupees, 260 rupees, like that, then going up to thousands as well, right? So choose what suits you best. And yes, do subscribe my channel, do follow me on Instagram. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.